customer engagement book at After Die.
I think the joy of our jobs is that you get to work with amazing people.
We were able to effectively deliver campaign, measure the success on the campaign.
And we're certainly at a moment right now of trying to adapt to one of these. How do we make sense of this?
This momentum with MoEngage, because it's given us a user interface that allows us to look at more kind of omni-channel approach. So we're on a very significant one-to-one journey.
Our email open rate is up 500 basis points without even optimizing in the first few months from where we were.
For us, it's not AI first decisioning or technology first decisioning, it's consumer first decisioning.